Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today the project's going to be one of these. They're making one of these to fit over on my new worktop over there I built the other day. Finding that I need more space. The template we're using is a Steve Goods template. You download this template from Steve Goods website. It's pretty simple. The wood need to be about 1/4 of an inch thick. Yeah, what I'm going to do is stick this down and I'll be back soon. See you in a bit. We have stuck all these down with double-sided sticky tape. Messed up a little bit here, but you shouldn't notice it too much. Should be fine. Got all these prepared, ready to cut out on the scroll saw. So let's get going. Oh no! Oh. Got them all cut out now. So now we've got to sand them all. Then we'll be able to spray the fronts. So that's the next job.
Yep.
Right, and we sanded it down. Had a little bit of mishap here on this side, but that's alright. Won't even notice it when it's really put together. But yeah, gonna stick it all put it all together now. So we'll start off with this bit. Does it fit? That's the thing. Yeah. What about this bit? Yeah. So put a bit of wood glue around here. Final part is make sure it's level. And this is the final part of it. This is the final. So yeah, this is to keep things a little bit neater there. Stick the ruler there. Yeah, I've just got to wait for the glue to dry around there, but that's an easy little project.